Next video coming is the zipper tape zipper pull, how to put the zipper pull on the zipper tape without using any special tools. That is what I'm going to show you. I really don't feel like it's that difficult. I think there are times when it can be, depending on if these little pieces of the coils actually get, I don't know, they kind of stick out a little bit further, or they get kind of wonky. And sometimes when that happens, it's hard to get them on. So if that happens, I usually just kind of clip a little bit of the end and start over. And I think that's a lot of the reasons why I always cut the zipper tape longer. So this zipper tape is, I actually got it from So Magical Expo at the Ayit Saeed Creations vendor setup there. And she had this made for, I guess it matches, well, I don't guess it matches, it actually matches the So Magical Expo vinyl. So yeah. So before I actually start the video where you actually watch from the top, I'm gonna try to do it right here and see how easy it'll be. Take this off. Let me see. It'll be this time it doesn't work when I'm trying to make it work. Okay. Let's see. How many people out there actually put their zipper pulls on just like this without any type of zipper jig or fork or whatever? I know I can't be the only one. There you go. It's that simple. You don't have to have a zipper jig and you don't have to have a fork. So, all right, let's get on with the rest of the tutorial.
For this quick tutorial, you will need a number 5 or number 3 zipper pull, number 5 or number 3 zipper tape, a lighter, a pair of scissors, and a clip. Prepare your zipper tape by taking your lighter and putting the flame to each end to seal the ends. Once you have your zipper pull in place, you don't want it to come off the other end of the zipper tape. So go ahead and take it to the sewing machine and either stitch over the coils or use your clip to keep it in place. On the opposite side of the clip, go ahead and pull the zipper apart, about 1.5 inches. Your zipper pull has 2 grooves on each side. With the prominent side of the zipper pull facing towards you and the prominent side of the zipper tape facing towards you, slip the coils into each side of the zipper pull. I usually slip the coils in on one side of the zipper pull about halfway, and then slip the other coils on the other side about halfway before I start pulling down the zipper pull. It may take some practice, but you'll get it. Here, let's try again. If you need to open your zipper tape more than 1.5 inches, go ahead. Just be careful that you don't pull it all the way apart. I'm going to slow this part down in slow motion so you can see it a little bit better. Now watch carefully as I insert the zipper tab into the zipper pull and it lines up about halfway. I hold the zipper tape in between my fingers while I am holding the zipper pull at the same time. The zipper tape is actually halfway into the zipper pull. Now I'll put the other part of the zipper tape into the zipper pull at the same halfway mark. When it matches and they're even is when I start pulling on the zipper pull. This will become routine for you after you've practiced a few times. I remember feeling like this was an impossible task when I first started putting zippers in. Go ahead and pick some practice zipper tape and a practice zipper pull, maybe something fun and festive. Take 5 minutes out of each day and practice, and soon it'll be second nature to put a zipper pull on.